Founded in 1954, Powerchina Huadong Engineering Corporation Limited, Powerchina Huadong for short, is a state-owned enterprise under Power Construction Corporation of China, Powerchina. Powerchina was ranked 313th among the world top 500 enterprises and 14th among top 250 international contractors in 2014. Powerchina Huadong has developed its target markets both in domestic and international market, specialized in providing technical solutions in three major fields of hydroengineering and renewable energy, urban construction and environmental engineering, project safety and operation, taken engineering and consultancy, EPC project contracting, and investments as its three major businesses. Powerchina Huadong has employed more than 3,600 staffs. More than 85% are technical personnel, and over 1,600 persons/times are qualified as national registered professionals. As a major high-tech enterprise of the China Torch program, Powerchina Huadong has established Academician Expert Workstation of Zhejiang Province, the Postdoctoral Scientific Research Workstation, and several research and development centers. Powerchina Huadong processes the high-class network-based integrated computer application system and the capability of three-dimensional design, project management, remote co-work and resource integration and application of virtual reality technology, realizing distant co-work and information sharing among the headquarters, main project sites and branches at home and abroad. Powerchina Huadong commits itself to building of the responsibility culture and performs social responsibilities conscientiously. The enterprise mission of serving engineering projects and promoting the harmonious development between man and nature, the enterprise spirit of responsibility, efficiency, and excellence, and the management concept of acting according to laws and in good faith are the behavior criteria of Powerchina Huadong and are also its promise to the society. The Xin'anjiang Hydropower Station is the first large hydropower station designed, constructed, and installed by the Chinese people. Powerchina Huadong successfully completed the project in 1950s, making the project an epoch-making event in the hydropower development history of China and the world. Afterwards, Powerchina Huadong successfully completed the EPC contracting for Shitang Hydropower Station in Zhejiang and many other large-size hydropower stations, accomplished many successful model projects in the hydropower development history of China. Jinping 2 Hydropower Station is the largest hydropower station on the Yalong River, and it has the underground caverns of the largest scale and burial depth in the world. Baihetan Hydropower Station is one of the most significant projects in the national strategy of west to east power transmission. It ranks the second largest hydropower projects in China and in the world, second only to Three Gorges project. In addition, Powerchina Huadong has been actively engaged in the construction of hydropower projects in Tibet and has carried out hydropower planning, investigation, design, and consulting for several river basins. Powerchina Huadong is a pioneering research company in the field of pumped storage and has successfully undertaken dozens of 1,000 megawatt or above pumped storage power stations. The technical solutions to pumped storage power stations have become the core technology and well-known brand of Powerchina Huadong. Since its establishment, Powerchina Huadong has undertaken planning, investigation, engineering design, equipment completion, EPC project contracting and investment for hundreds of large and medium-sized hydroengineering projects in different rivers with abundant water resources all over China and abroad. Among these projects, there are over 100 hydropower stations completed or under construction with a total installed capacity of 50,000 megawatts. Powerchina Huadong is one of the Chinese organizations earliest engaged in the research on ocean exploration and utilization of tidal energy. The pilot Jiangxia tidal power station of the largest scale in Asia was designed and completed by the company in 1980. The company has conducted considerable research on the comprehensive development of ocean in recent years, and the company participated in the strategic research on comprehensive development of oceans and islands in Zhejiang. and completed tens of ocean-related projects such as the Dongfushan Island project in Zhoushan, and seawalls, docks, and fishing harbors. Powerchina Huadong is one of the institutions earliest engaged in research on wind power development and utilization in China. The company has successfully undertaken over 200 wind projects at home and abroad, and the total installed capacity of these projects has exceeded 20,000 megawatts. Moreover, the company actively carries forward the development strategy of offshore wind power. The capacity of the completed offshore wind farms totals 500 megawatts, and the capacity of the offshore wind farms under construction reaches 1,900 megawatts. In addition, the company is actively researching on development and utilization of new energy, such as solar energy, and has completed a batch of demonstration projects. Along with China's urbanization process, by virtue of its comprehensive advantages of multi-specialties and multidisciplinary ability in the field of infrastructure construction, the company has successfully undertaken investigation, design, consulting, and EPC project contracting for a large batch of public architecture, residential buildings, underground space development, and industrial architecture. The completed public architecture, residential buildings, and industrial architecture amount to 10 million square meters, 12 million square meters, and 4 million square meters respectively. The company completed the preparation of the planning for expressways of Zhejiang Province, an engineering investigation, design, and EPC project contracting for thousands of kilometers of roads of different grades, tens of bridges of various types, and hundreds of tunnel projects. In addition, the company has completed investigation and design for tens of stations and 100 kilometers of interval works of metro projects in over 10 cities. Powerchina Huadong continuously searches after the construction mode of harmony between urban construction and environment and ecology, and plays the role of an industrial pioneer in the business fields of urban and rural region development planning, construction of ecological and environmental projects, and comprehensive improvement of water environment, etc., and creates landscape of harmonious coexistence of art and life by means of the scientific and technological force. The large dam safety supervision center established in 1985 is set in Powerchina Huadong. It is now subordinate to the National Energy Administration and performs the responsibility of dam safety supervision. It is responsible for the safety supervision of the hydropower stations with installed capacity over 50 megawatts of China Electric Power System. While providing talents and technical support for the dam safety supervision, Powerchina Huadong has also made great progress in the field of project safety and operation. The company is capable of providing the technology and management services for the safety and operation in the whole life cycle of the projects, and has developed an information management platform for safety appraisal, supervision, and monitoring of various projects. The real-time monitoring and remote control for the project safety have been realized. Based on its technological advantages, the company has formed its core competitiveness in site inspection and research and development of reinforcement materials, as well as application of reinforcement materials so that the engineering safety problems can be detected and treated timely. The waterproof materials developed by the company have been successfully applied to crack treatment and concrete anti-seepage of the dam and shiplock of the Three Gorges project and have caused wide public concern. In EPC contracting field, taking the technical and management advantages from its engineering background, Powerchina Huadong has obvious special skills and advantages in reducing project costs and controlling the whole process of the project construction by design optimization and management integration to ensure project schedule and quality. The company has successfully completed a batch of EPC projects. In recent years, Powerchina Huadong has actively developed the investment business, gradually fulfilled the business restructuring and industrial upgrading. Investment has become one of the three major businesses of the company. The major investment fields of the company include renewable energy, hydropower, water affairs, and all kinds of infrastructures. Powerchina Huadong is the company earliest engaged in overseas projects. Over the past 60 years, its international business has expanded to more than 40 countries, such as Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, Pakistan, Nepal, Singapore, Turkey, Nigeria, Kenya, Ethiopia, Uganda, Rwanda, the Central African Republic, Zimbabwe, Cameroon, Sierra Leone, Costa Rica, Honduras, and Ecuador, etc. So far, the company has set up overseas branches in many countries and established 6 regional headquarters in Southeast Asia, South Asia, East Africa, West Africa, Middle East, and Latin America. Over the past decade, the company has made steady development in overseas business and has undertaken about 100 international projects. Powerchina Huadong provides services of overall technical solutions ranging from project planning, feasibility study, engineering investigation, technical design, construction detail design, design appraisal, design supervision, construction supervision, material supply, dam defect treatment, complete equipment supply, EPC project contracting to operation and maintenance after commissioning, as well as financing for projects and investment. The overseas business of the company presents diversified development and presently has covered the fields of hydropower and renewable energy, power transmission and distribution, water conservancy, architecture construction, traffic and municipal engineering, communication infrastructure construction and engineering safety, etc. Looking to the future, Powerchina Huadong will continue to execute its sacred mission, providing engineering services and promoting harmonious development between man and nature. Follow the concept of bringing value for the clients and mutually developing with the partners, and serve social sustainable development by virtue of its competitiveness of leading technology, efficient management force, culture of pursuing excellence, and behavior reflecting more social responsibilities to build the company into a first-class international engineering company and a century-old engineering company.